In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix Scotiabank e-transfer not working or something went wrong error. Let's get started. First, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection is one of the most common reasons e-transfers fail. Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or restart your router to refresh the connection. Once the internet is stable, try the transfer again. Next, log out of the Scotiabank app or online banking and log back in. This can reset your session and clear temporary glitches that may be causing the error. If you are using the mobile app, make sure it is fully updated to the latest version from App Store or Google Play Store. Next, check whether Interac e-transfer services are temporarily down. Sometimes the issue is not on your end, but due to maintenance or outages from Scotiabank or Interac, waiting a short while and trying again can often resolve the issue. You should also verify your account details such as your email address, phone number, and transfer limits. If your daily or transaction limits are reached, the transfer may fail with an error. Make sure your account is fully verified and in good standing. If none of these methods work, completely delete Scotia app from your device and reinstall it. If you're using in the browser, clear cache for it. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Site Settings. Navigate to View Permission option. Search for Scotiabank. Once the website option appears, click on the trash icon for it and confirm the deletion. And that's it. These are the best ways to fix Scotiabank e-transfer something went wrong error. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.